Hey besties, as asho ugirl. Guys, sizofela ey'ndabeni zabantu. One thing about us sazithanda. So, uMsakhaula uvuke ekuseni, I don't know whether uvuke ngo-left or uvuke ngo-right, and he posted that uDJ Zinhle, while we were busy accusing Umera Bongs of cheating, and everything under this video is allegedly, while we were busy accusing Umera Bongs of cheating, Nomtana Owase Varsity, and also a bottle girl, or DJ Zinhle was cheating with a billionaire. And the billionaire is Ukhulufelo Maponya. You can go and search him. I'll post this on Misaki right after this. The same Khulufelo Maponya as the same guy who helped uDJ Zinhle to build i-Era, who helped umsizile ukuthi aphakamise i-Era, the jewelry shop, and also wamsiza ukuthi abhadale indlu. And mind you, kuthiwa uDJ Zinhle washaya ubaby mama ka-Mera Bongs ngestina while the girl was pregnant. And mind you, i-country was behind uDJ Zinhle ngenkathi aka amshisela eze pregnant, amshisela ngobunang. Guys, Hashem. And a close source revealed that uDJ Zinhle is denying all the claims of cheating, stating that there's no cheating happening in relationship yakhe because they have an open relationship. An open relationship is where one partner can have another partner outside, but will still remain married. But you don't have multiple partners. Yeah, that's what a open relationship is. Excuse me. Hashem, masesikhuluma iqiniso, uMsakhaula won't drop this until bahlukana. Like ubafuna behlukene, the way he's doing this thing. And my comments were like, yeah, that's why Umera Bongzi, Bamenzi Slima, he be out here wearing iskipa saka AKA, Olop is posting no Cairo. And I'm like, guys, he's just being a stepfather. That's what a stepfather, he's stepping up for a father, Cairo. And abantu are against that. But why enganayekile owakho umntwana eloku busy. And mind you, umntwana khona, bathi akamshi nakakhulu ukhaya, who's this? Asante. Umshiya at 2 months, somewhere there, I think. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Yasmin, I believe that there's no open relationship. It's just you guys are being together and just for the sake of ngwana. Like you're not happy. Yikho into esesemnandi relationship when you start cheating. There's no cheating in relationship. You don't cheat if ever you love someone. You don't. You respect that person until there's disrespect or whatever. Unless that is something they're hiding. And better up is being saying as a perfect couple. Guys, sengishilo ukuthi indaba zabantu zizosibulala. What are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.